Good morning, crew. Today I am going to teach you how I meal prep for smoothies because I've been getting a lot of questions about what kind of smoothies I eat and how do you meal prep and what should be in them and what's important and what's not. So today I'm just going to talk about what I do. There's a lot of people that value different foods that go into their smoothie, but I'm just going to talk about my perspective on what I would like to see in a smoothie. So first, before you meal prep, think about what you want in a smoothie. And for me, I try to do most of it greens and then just a little bit of fruit at the top. I've been experimenting with different fruits to bring out different flavors. And so what I really like is using a little bit of banana for the sweetness and then kind of playing around with the different berries or other fruits if you want to bring out different flavors. But my go-to greens is always spinach. I've tried kale in the past and I've also tried some collard greens, and that's a little too green for me. I like to pack it full of greens and then just have a little bit of fruit at the top, and I find that spinach breaks down really well for smoothies. So first, to meal prep for your smoothies in the morning, I try to do it the night before, but you can easily do it like a few days in advance. I get some greens and then I cut the stems off. And then I take about a handful and stick it in a paper bag or a plastic bag. I'll do a little bit more. Can't have too many greens. For the fruit in the greens, I'm actually gonna cut it in half again too. The fruit in the greens are going to cover up a lot of the green taste, especially if you're gonna choose a sweeter fruit like a banana. So you put your greens in the bag, and then you take a banana, and I go ahead and cut up most of the banana, but I only put about half of the banana in the smoothie. And I don't really use the ends a lot of the time. It just really depends on what they look like. So I usually put about 4 or 5 pieces in there. And then you want to get the air out of the bag. So you'll Ziploc it and then you'll stick this in the freezer. And in the morning what you're going to do is you're going to pull this out, put that into your smoothie, and then you'll add some extra ingredients. I'll go through the extra ingredients that I typically add. So right now I've been using this acai, I think it's called, berry from Costco. I really like it. I don't put 2 packs, which is what they suggest. I only put 1 pack in my smoothie, and that just kind of mixes it up. Honestly, I got this idea from Blenders and Bowls in Austin because they do a lot of the acai bowls, and so I'm a really big fan of that. I also like to put a little bit of super greens in here. This is what I'm using right now. It's from Fit People. And the ingredients have a lot of like wheatgrass, barley grass, spirulina, and then some other like greens. And then it also has some berries too, but it's not sweet, so you're only getting 1 extra gram of sugar. And I put 1 scoop in there just to get some wheatgrass in there. I also put 1 tablespoon of almond butter, this is from Costco, into my smoothie, and then I just blend it up from there, honestly. Oh, and a nut milk. You can use coconut water, or you can do a nut milk. I'm a really big fan of the macadamia nut milk. It just gives it a different flavor and has like some sweeter undertones without the sugar. So there's no extra sugar in this. Obviously, I think you can see it says unsweetened, but just the nature of the nut, it allows it to be really sweet. So that's all I put in my smoothies in the morning. That way you're getting some greens from the spinach and the supplement. You're also getting your fruit mainly from the Aussie packs or the banana. And then you're getting some healthy fats just with 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Don't go crazy on the almond butter. And then you're also topping it off with the nut milk. So you will see this smoothie in the morning if you follow me on Instagram, and I'll try to post it here in the Facebook group as well. Let me know if you have any questions by commenting below. Have a good one.